Shalom, first and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'ashem Akakadash, and the Heavenly Father. The true name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, Ba'ashem, and the name Hamashiach Yahweh Shai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lashon Kadash Little Tongue. And I say Barakatham to the elders, Wa'akwa, and I say Shalom. And this is a sit-down lesson of earthquakes in diverse places as of November the 18th, 2024. On this Monday afternoon. And this is the latest earthquakes from earthquake.usgs.gov. And you had a 4.7 earthquake in the 143 kilometers south of Latalita of Solomon Islands. 2.9 earthquake in Alberto Valledo, Murta, BC, Mexico. 4.6 earthquake in city of Taiwan. 4.6 earthquake in Culiaca, Peru. 2.6 earthquake. 2.6 earthquake in Maria Antonia, Puerto Rico. 2.7 earthquake in Petro Bay, Alaska. 2.8 earthquake in White City of New Mexico. 4.6 earthquake in Volcano Islands, Japan region. 4.5 earthquake in China. 4.7 earthquake in China. 4.7 earthquake in China. 2.5 earthquake in Chase, Alaska. 4.9 earthquake in Macqualicue Island, if I pronounced that right. 4.4 earthquake in northeast of 78 kilometers of San Pedro de Antilmia, Chile. 3.8 earthquake in Likoloski, Alaska. 5.0 earthquake in southwest of Indian Ridge. 3.2 earthquake at 25 kilometers southwest of Stella, Puerto Rico. 5.2 earthquake 37 kilometers northwest of Basco, Philippines. 3.4 earthquake in Valcarez, Puerto Rico. 5.1 earthquake 141 kilometers east of Spanpan, Northern Mariana Islands. 3.1 earthquake 13 kilometers west of Mayagüez of Puerto Rico. 5.1 earthquake in southern Atlantic Ridge. So those was the latest of earthquakes in diverse places as of November the 18th, 2024 on this Monday afternoon. And once again, this is the book of Luke 21 and verse 11. And great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence and fearful sights and great signs shall that be from heaven. Right, so increasing earthquakes in diverse places, increasing famines and pestilence and fearful sights and great signs shall that be from heaven. But we're definitely going to be seeing the increasing of the uptick of great earthquakes in diverse places. So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying of earthquakes in diverse places as of November the 18th, 2024 on this Monday afternoon. So with that, I would like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Wakakadash, and the Heavenly Father. The true name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, Ba'ashem, and the name Hamashiach Yahweh Shai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, Lashon Kadash Little Tongue. And I say Barakatham to the elders, Wa'akim, Wa'akwa. Until next time, I will say Shalom.